Hey, how's it going, guys? If you've been looking for a home with RV parking, look no more. I'm pretty excited to show you this one. We are in the community of Consenza and we are going to be checking out Floor Plan Evan. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Ramiro Fregoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. What I do in my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is a right fit for you. Let's be honest, guys, buying a new construction home, there is a lot to consider. You have pricing, incentives, and also what is included with my home purchase. That's where I step in. I guide you through the process and help you find the right home for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss my next tour. For today's property tour, we are in the community of Consenza, and this community is located in the southwest of Las Vegas. Let me give you a quick update of where we're actually located. So we're not too far located off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond here in the southwest area. So you're gonna be about 20 minutes from the strip, about 15 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes or so from downtown Las Vegas, and about 20 minutes from downtown Summerlin. Here in this community, they're not gonna be building a lot of homes, guys. They're actually gonna be building a total of 27 homes. They're all gonna be single-story homes. Also non-gated community. So HOA here is going to be $140 monthly. For price range, they're going to range from $893,990 up to $1,149,990. And they're all going to consist of 3 to up to 4 bedrooms, and they're going to range from 2,485 square feet to up to 3,776 square feet. And also, guys, just a quick heads up, I know the price I just mentioned is just the base price. When you do buy a home, a new construction home, you have to consider base price, your lot premiums, and also your upgrades. So here you can have 2 options to purchase a home. You can either buy a spec home. Usually that's what Lennar does. They usually are a spec builder, but you also do have the option to go from the ground up. If you do go that route, then you also have to consider. So when I mentioned that base price, guys, you have to consider that does not include your options or your lot premiums. So here, typically Lennar is a spec builder. For the most part, everything you see is what you get, but you also do have the option of building from the ground up, meaning you get to pick your options. Here, there's not too many options you can pick from. It's only gonna be the flooring, your cabinets, countertops, backsplash. Everything else is gonna come standard with your home purchase. But to be honest, guys, buying a spec home, that is really where you're gonna get the best deal. Let me quickly go over the floor plans that are available here in this community. You'll see them on your screen. So we have the 3 different floor plans. So we have Plan Evan, and that is with an RV garage, and that's a 3-bedroom, 2,484 square feet. Base price is $893,990. Then we have floor plan Eleanor, and that is a 4-bedroom. It is 3,565 square feet. Base price for that one is $1,129,990. Then we have floor plan William, And that's a 4-bedroom. It is 3,776 square feet and starting price at $1,149,990. That being said, guys, let's get started and check out this home to see if it's a right fit for you. All right, guys, welcome to Floor Plan Evan. Here we are in the community of Consenza by Lennar Homes, and we are going to be touring Evan for today's video. Let me give you quickly the details on this one. So this one comes in RV parking, as you can see. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 2,484 square feet with that 4-bay RV garage. Base price for this one is $893,990. You know, keep in mind, guys, no lot premiums or upgrades included in that price. Just to give you a quick reference, guys, there is a quick move-in ready for this floor plan, and that one's priced at $903,534, and that is out the door price with the upgrades and the lot premium. So what is that, about $10,000 increase on that base price? So not much of a price difference with the additional upgrades that they ended up picking up. If you want more information on that one, I will have my contact info below. Really quick, guys, your front landscaping when you do buy a new construction home will come included with your home purchase. What won't come included is going to be your backyard landscaping. Let's quickly, let me show you this RV garage, because this is what gets me excited. I mean, the inside is really nice as well, but I mean, sometimes even if you don't need it, like, why not get it and maybe use it as an investment, right? I mean, at the end of the day, you use it as a garage. You don't necessarily have to have an RV, but I mean, you could use it for a lot of different, you know, RV, cargo trailer, toy haulers, a lot of stuff. But look at this, guys. Man, let me know in the comments below if you've been in the market for a home with an RV garage. These don't come around too often, guys. Lennar is one of the builders that they do usually have them, not everywhere. I mean, they have them here in the Southwest, also some in Cadence, Henderson. Let me see, do I have access to the backyard? I'm gonna show you the backyard from here. I'm not gonna go inside right now. The reason being is I actually don't have access to the backyard from the inside, so might as well sneak here to the side that they haven't put a lock yet and show you really quick your backyard. And also keep in mind, guys, new construction homes typically don't come with the landscaping you see in the model homes. Just a clean slate, guys. We just wanted to come out here and show you really quick on the size of your yard. These are pretty big lots, guys, but since this is a single-story home, it does take a lot of real estate here on your lot. Because you can see over here, let me actually give you a sneak peek of the other ones over here. Not sure if I'm pointing the camera right, but you see those backyards? Good size. All right, so now let's go back to the other side. So now we got a little bit of a walk, but just wanted to make sure I give you a proper tour now that I'm out here, right? Not kind of, it's tough just to show you from the slider, the backyard. Sometimes you kind of have to walk it so you get a better perspective of the size. Let's walk around. Also, I just did a property tour on Eleanor. If you're in the market for a next-gen home, I will have the link on the top right-hand screen so you can check that one out. All right, now let's go inside and check out Evan. Here's your entryway. The unfortunate part, guys, before I let you know, we won't have access to actually go inside of the garage, unfortunately. But I mean, look at this, guys. Nice luxury vinyl planks here. Entryway, nice and wide hallway. Straight ahead is gonna be your living room. So that door, let me just show you. That is to your RV garage, but I know you can't really see it because of the reflection of this glass, but I'm doing my best to show you, but that's as far as you can get. And here are the details of your RV garage if you want to know more details. So as far as how the height, 14 feet, width 18 feet, it does have an in-ground clean out. You will have the paint, interior painted of your garage, pre-wired for car charger, especially nowadays, right? And a hose bib inside and the outside. Pretty cool. Now, that's what we just came in. So here, immediately here to the left, you are gonna have 2 bedrooms, 1 and 2. So let's just might as well start the one that's facing the front. Look at this. Then also, looks like you're gonna have a Jack and Jill bathroom. But let me show you the closet real quick. The closet, and then here's your sink. And then the Jack and Jill into that bedroom over there. So you got your combination prefabricated stand-up shower. Then over here, here's the other sink for this bedroom here. That's, I'm about to show you. Check it out, good size. Then straight ahead right over here, you also have a walk-in. Now, let's go over here really quick. I'm gonna show you this bathroom. I do apologize, they're using it like a public restroom, so I'm gonna show you really quick. But here's your powder room. Let's go over here and check out the living room, dining, and kitchen area. Look at this, guys. There's your living room. There's your dining, no table though. I mean, check out this kitchen, guys. Look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. Quartz that waterfalls over. Got the modern cabinets. Commercial grade stove. The microwave. Refrigerator over there. I mean, look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. Over here, let me show you from this angle, guys, really quick. Stand over here. Show you your living room and your kitchen. Really nice and open right here. I mean, this is a nice big space in my opinion. They're really quick. Here's your slider. They have them locked, but I did show you the backyard here in the beginning. This is as much I would be able to show you, which is still not too bad, I guess, but I like to show you everything in details. Let me know what you guys think so far of this floor plan, guys. Also, if you guys are enjoying this tour, do me a huge favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss my next tour. Also, guys, I wanted to point out something real important that a lot of people are not aware of. So if you are interested in a new construction home, maybe like this one, and you want to come take a look at it, it's super critical that I come with you or your trusted realtor. Because what happens, guys, you guys show up, builder will make you register, give your name, phone number, email, and by then you pretty much tell them like, I came unrepresented, and by default, they'll assign an agent from the builder to represent you. At the end of the day, guys, their agents work for the builder. I work for you. I'm confident that I can negotiate the best deal. Not just that, guys, protect your interest and help you avoid any costly mistakes. I will have my contact info below, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Here to help any way I can. Even if you just have questions, guys, don't hesitate to reach out. And then right over here on this side, you have a coat closet right here with no door right now. It is a new build. Typically, they don't put doors. Look at this, and here's the laundry room. Check this laundry room out, guys. Really good sized laundry room. So washer and dryer is optional. Typically it's not included, guys. But like I mentioned earlier, guys, if you do have an awesome agent on your side, like me, I already know, I'll negotiate with you without asking, but if you don't have me representing you, then make sure your agent asks for those appliances. Also, I like how it does have a sink. Now, right over here, we do have the primary bedroom. Look at this. Really good sized primary, in my opinion. Not sure if I mentioned, but let me see here. Yeah, 9-foot ceilings. Yeah, let me check over here. Yeah, so you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings throughout. Really quick, now that I have the camera, man. Look at you walking out of your primary. Go grab a snack. And there's your kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. It'll motivate you to go grab some more snacks from the kitchen. Such a beautiful kitchen. Could be a bad thing, but. Then right over here is the primary bathroom. Look at this, guys. And over here you have the standalone bathtub right next to your nice shower. Let me actually stand over here on this side to show you from this angle. Before you ask me, where's the toilet? Toilet is right here. Then I present to you your walk-in closet. What do you guys think? Big enough? Well guys, that concludes our tour. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. Is it something you might be looking for? Drop it down below. Also guys, keep in mind that if you guys want to come check out this community or maybe another community or existing homes, even looking to sell your personal property, I will have my contact info below guys. Don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a text. Would love the opportunity to earn your business and be with you every step of the way, whether you're buying or selling. And also guys, really quick, one huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time guys.